Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know what the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but there's a few trending topics I see popping in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. With that being said, let's kick it off with dancehall princess Shenseea because she's causing a whole heap of ruckus on the scene, you see what I say? And it look like she not taking a chat like, Janelle Brumfield, who, doesn't want to come back to Jamaica. Yes, Shenseea is shutting down rumors that she is banned from Jamaica and her peoples don't support her. Now, I don't know who is saying these things in the media, but we know a few of her co-workers, like, who Queen Ifrica has been, vocal about, Shenseea. So let's take a quick reminder of what the Queen said, and then we'll address what Shenseea has to say about it.
When the roll is called out. Dirty Shenseea, you can't be no blood clot face of Jamaican woman out of Jamaica. Go suck on yourself and go do it for Korea or which part your blood clot bloodline there. Nobody we born down here now go come feel like you know come create no culture because you no born down here. And really and truly, if we don't get anybody else face of Jamaica, Adidas, I should have spice your blood clot make do because she are the truest representative of a Jamaican woman. I just true she a idiot. Make she blood clot end up where she end up. A years me I try for sure. I say guide yourself properly that you can come sit down on your rightful place. Shenseea more popular than Spice. So how come Shenseea Adidas a draw for be face and then
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, Shenseea said she heard a rumor that my country don't support me anymore and I had to, lay that ish to rest. You see what I said? Cause people again putting out a comment section what is Shenseea talking about, because the next thing that pops up to my mind is the song with Megan Thee Stallion, and her fans, her Sheneea fans who wasn't pleased with her new music out in America. So let's take a quick reminder and then we proceed.
And it will go crazy. So tell me now, before this song comes out in 3 minutes, I just want to tell y'all, because this is why some Americans don't even fuck with Caribbean people. Because y'all be acting stupid as shit.
As I said, people, I'm just a messenger delivering the message. So we're giving the Queen Ifrica and this example. Putting in the comment section what you think about that. Now let's proceed to the next topic. Okay, people, Alkaline X, the one who bust man out of business, and was beefing with Jada Kingdom, who exposed that she was just using Vybz for her music links, and she was in a relationship with Jada Kingdom as well. We're talking about Malibu. She's here to let the world know that she is the mother of Meek Mill's daughter. You see what I said? And his daughter will be in Jamaica this summer. You feel what I mean? But before we get into how they met and all of these things, I just want to clear up a few rumors circulating about the daughter. You see what I said? Because, her mom passed away from illness, you see me? And for whatever reasons, people was going around saying that, she sacrificed her mother and dashed away and all of this stuff. You see what I said? So we just want to put all of those rumors to rest. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You don't know the things set in Jamaica. You see what I say? If I know this and that. But back to what I'm saying, she bust Alkaline in the business and Alkaline deal with her way. You see what I say? But that's not the case with Meek Mill. You feel me? Meek Mill is in this child's life. He's taking care of the child and everything. You see what I say? As you know, a few years ago, Meek Mill took a trip to Jamaica. You see what I say? And he went to Club Taboo and all of these good things. You see what I say? And you don't know the things set with homegirl. You know what I mean? But I'm not forgetting the X, Y, and Z. You see what I say? So I'm not surprised Meek Mill spent a few nights with her, you feel me? But nevertheless, we are going to tag her Instagram page on my Instagram channel. I'll put that in the comment section, and then I can go follow up her there, you feel what I mean? But me just the one for put them rumors to rest, you feel me? The Dolly never do that to her mother, you see what I say? Yeah, so let's proceed to the next. Oh, before I forget, Meek Mill is trying to transform and I want to know for wake up, you see what I say? So I'm gonna go check out the music video him just dropped on them YouTube channel the other day, you see what I say? Yeah. Now, people, the things you're about to see, it's not a good look. That's why we did have to blur out the footage. But if you look on the screen, this is part 2. You see, I say, you don't know the thing said. The lady, intimate video leaked by her ex. You see, I say, she leak out or, him thump her up and all of this stuff and put out the footage. So I got blur it out. But listen to what she has said. Yes, I say, yeah.
Jesus Christ, I saw my so full already. Also, Prezzy, you come title, Prezzy. You come to bring me down. Alright. We'll see how I go. Because one thing, I come with my facts and my proof. Let me know it go now. Why not tell the people them say I batter me love? Tell the blood clot people them say I batter me love, Prezzy. Tell the people them say I batter your love. Tell the people them why you stop walk and beat me. Tell them blood clot, Prezzy. Because you come to internet to try to bring me down. You think you had one up on me. Me no business who want blood clot bring me down, Me no business who want bring me down. Because guess what? My life is an open book. Number 1. Me never come here. Can't tell nobody. Say me rich. Me never come here. Can't hype on nobody. You understand? I go through a farm your blood clot come from humble blood clot beginnings. Humble beginnings. Yeah, humble beginnings. So how I really go? You feel you had one upon me. You keep talking about video. Okay, what else do you have to talk about? What else you can't talk about more than this fucking so-called video? This video. What else do you have on me? What else you have for me? Yes, of course the video is disturbing me. I have to admit it. The video is fucking disturbing, of course. Remember, my life is an open book. Westmoreland, my born and grow. Westmoreland know me, I know this. You understand? My life is an open book. Prezzy, you can't bring me down. You have tried so, darling. You have tried. You have tried. But you only can try. Try. Because 90% of everybody they're on my side. You realize, Miss, lady, sister girl, is a big blood clot girl. Yes, a big blood clot girl. Go suck your mother. You try though, darling. Remember good, you can talk about your blood clot the house where you start for me. Show the proof of where you start. Yes, you were there. Of course you was there. When my plan draft for my blood clot house bill, when my father gave me piece of land, you never did it. You never did it. The man, the architect who drew the plan for my house, you never knew about you running after. Tell the people them that. Remember good. Westmoreland, see you more than how Hanover see you. So let me ask you something. Since I am that nasty, I get up and post my blood clot video them with my side. Me never hide some burn up. Me never ever hide some burn up pussy. Me never did a hide it. Whole heap of time when me put on my blood clot clothes and I left me yard, I you see him one say, cover your scar them. Westmoreland know this, me never had a scarf on my body yet. No time, no day. When you beat me and batter me, go down. Remember good, me never ever hide the blood clot bruise them on my body. Okay? And you ask and plead and beg for me put on clothes to cover the scar them. I'm say to you, say, why the fuck me I go do that? I don't live in makeup, number 1. Number 2, me I go wear what I'm comfortable in her. So why me I go put on a long sleeve and turtleneck in a Sav Westmoreland for please you because you want to paint a picture like you have good true shoes. Remember good, me left you from April. Prezzy, me left you from April. Me left you. When you beat me run a blood clot, gully banks, remember good? In the blood clot road because I tell you, I not sleep on my yard where you catch with you. Me not sleep on my yard where you blood clot catch with blood clot me. Out of blood clot, big bridge video walk party me, I want my charge. And you know what the doctor said to me say? The doctor said, do not go around here. But guess what? You call me and say, I want to call me yard, then turn the blood clot car park out of my bumbo clot beauty bar. Remember good? Say, that's how you used to park. And me used to pick you up from this to come on my blood clot yard because your car low. The bad road I'm lift on, your car cannot manage it. Remember good. Remember good. Remember good, you they talk about blood clot, piss pan, Prezzy. Tell people them see a freaky blood clot, bad about piss pan weird. Me also want comments that talk about God about piss pan weird, Prezzy. Tell people them see a freaky. Your past relationships must know that say a blood clot freaky the fuck. You're freaky bad. You're freaky, Prezzy. You can't blood clot bring me down. You can't bring me down. You cannot bring me down. No time, no day, no all, Prezzy. Come better than that because the only blood clotting we think it have over my head is the blood clot video up on the blood clot mother yard. And me and you know say a turbo and the woman have the kids when I don't have them. Turbo and the woman take care of the kids when I don't have them because the whole Westman knows me a blood clot girl trying. Listen, me a blood clot girl trying long blood clot time. Westman can't tell her that. Call me whore, call me bitch, call me bring me down and crumb. But anything else, the officer, Janice is a blood clot trying girl, dirty blood clot. Boy, remember could say, you meet me as a trying blood clot girl. Me I do me thing. You don't meet me as a blood clot leash. Me never did itch and pie your batty boy. Remember good? Yes a capper. Yes a fucking capper. Can you come on the internet like yes Miss Goody True Shoes? I are the richest thing boy. But remember good say the man never be a hot on you. Nobody no know where you. Remember good say since me the people them know. Remember good now? Remember good when me meet you get blood clot 80 likes past that. Remember good now? 80 likes, you get passed up when me know you. Remember good dirty blood clot Prezzy when you attack for me. Remember blood clot good. You understand? Tell the people them say, me walk away because you're batty blood clot fetish, dirty blood clot boy. Me hack your phone of course and me change your password because I didn't want to see what they go on your blood clot phone or where they go on blood clot Instagram. Tell the people them say me left because you're batty blood clot fetish. Yeah, you beat me come and go, me never hide it. But guess what? You think me never talk about it because guess what? You think me would have shame? You think me would have shame for talk so your Battam go come? Yes, Prezzy, your Battam go come. You're proud of it. Your Battam go come, of course. No secret now keep. Remember say me put it on the blood clot internet say your Battam go come and come. So you come on internet and talk about your Battam. Yes, your Battam come and come. Your Battam go and come. Of course your Battam go and come. Your Battam go and come, Prezzy. Yes. Me never keep no secret about that. Never ever keep no secret about that. Dirty blood clot, big gut blood clot, big back blood clot, boy. So come to the post the blood clot video, cause guess what? Take down the blood clot video, me yard where you have for your blood clot TikTok. The blue painting, yeah? Everybody knows say white page in the house. Take it down. Take it down, dirty blood clot, Prezzy. Take it down. Where you post it for? You should have shame. You should have shame. You should shame. He's a fucking mama, man. Prezzy. Remember so when me are there, let me get this clear. Let me get this blood clot clear. You don't walk a blood clot. That you, people, are probably a way to tell them, say, me, blood clot take a friend girl, me take a friend of girl, dirty blood clot, boy. If people know I know the truth, them can remember clearly and vividly. We will post a blood clot video on TikTok with a couple voice note when you text me. Over blood clot 10 years before my blood clot daughter born. Y'all look me batty, man. Before my daughter born, you they look me. Who knows? I did post it on fucking TikTok. When you did a blood clot, over 10 years now, batty, man. It come like blood clot, them set you for me. You know what? It come like them set you for me. Them set you for come for me. Them set you for look me for blood clot, bring me down dark shit. Them set you for blood clot, bring me down. Because remember, good said the first blood clot day, me and you go out. It was Valentine's Day. February the blood clot 14, me got Negril, Bumba Wall. Me and you, the dear Negril, me come meet you down there. My friend and me come meet you down there, Battam. And the first video me you take, you take your post me back here. And I throw shades and I say to you, dirty boy. Remember could me say to you, say, hey, nobody post me. You force me for post, you tell the people them that. You force me for blood clot post you. But I say, oh, no use less of blood clot rebound. Remember code, you say, no, me love you long time, da 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 da. Remember good. Remember good, Prezzy, you cannot bring me down. You cannot bring me down. You can try. You can try, Prezzy. Remember say, clothes are your best friend. You see if me did love clothes, me depend on blood clot, me a cuss and argue with girl daily. Daily. Prezzy, remember say you love fake page. So I watch your blood clot bring down girl from blood clot fake page. Me say, you see one thing, for then a situation, and for movies it's a fucking hell of a thing. It's a hell of a thing. Because I'm a try blood clot Nephew. Hey, one time I feel like me do mad. I feel like me do mad. Come here say, yeah, talk about blood clot, obey half you, obey me. Because I couldn't obey you and want left you. I couldn't obey you and want left you as a man. I couldn't obey you, Prezzy, and want left you. So tell me how the obey go stop text yourself. Remember good you talk about your breed, girl. The girl never that breed. They don't breed the girl. You don't fuck the girl. Remember good. Me and the girl talk for long. And guess what? I keep the serious camera. We go in and out talk with the girl and send a threat to the girl. Because all you know for blood clot is walk and set trend to threat to girl pitney. All you know how to do is walk and send threat to girl pitney. You make a fake page name Westmoreland Mix or some shit like that. You guess what? The page that text me all long and I try to call me, but me never see it because guess what? It's in a request. You know how me get the blood clot message in? I want a friend me say I call me and say, check your blood clot Instagram because I want page to them text you and they have some things to dash out here. Remember, they say they have some things to dash out here. When I go up on the page, me realize say, are you have the fake page that text me? Remember, you, Prezzy, have the fake page that text me. And guess what? You don't text a female where you supposedly claims to your breed, which is a lie. You don't text a female and I tell the female, say, for cost me, because guess what, you want clothes. Me no love clothes, so. Me no love clothes, so, Barry. Me no love clothes, so. You text the female. You text the female and tell the female for cost me. Me have to prove. Me come with facts. Me come with facts. Me come with facts. Are you the talk about you fucked me and push cocky that time mouth? What the proof that say you fucked me and push cocky that time mouth, sir? You said the girl 8 grand 8.5. In the time when my party where you claim say are yours. Remember good. You have what's one of the talks, you take the name of a flyers with blood clot fully. So Battam, I'm tell you this. A farm I come from, you can't bring me down. Move your blood clot and go away. Dirty blood clot. Boy, I never tell you I'm rich. I never come by. I can't tell nobody I'm rich. I never tell nobody I come from gold spoon in a mouth. So you could have never bring me down. Fish. Fishy fur. Mr. President. Mr. Sissy man. Miss Sis. Miss Sister girl. Yeah, big black blood clot people. Cannot bring me down for the internet. Come good. As we say, yeah, the place looks disturbing, but you dirty blood clappers in army, no say. The pitney them, they're from me to Turbo and Julian, which are 1 yard. They have to go their grandmother and grandfather, of course. And 2 old people, they love them. The video is disturbing, of course, yes. What else you can come with, yes, so? You can't come with nothing else. That's all you're talking about. You're talking about my videos. A whole lot of people to search and a whole lot of people get burned. What about people get burned, have scars when they cover with tattoo? Enough people. You wish your blood clot, up my shop, give me a tap, boy, you open blood clot shop, give me a half box and blood clot out here, but where? You talk, listen, you talk about house in the backyard, sir. You was there. You don't know about the planet tap, blood clot draw. You don't know about it. You don't know nothing about it. You know about it after you're running it. Yeah, of course you spend money when you're supposed to spend money up there. But nobody make it media feel like say, yeah, you start it off and you kick it off. Remember good? Me a girl will save money, I'm a true partner, I'm a do my thing. Remember good? Remember good, Mr. Sissy girl. Remember good. You tried though, darling. You tried. You tried. Anthony, I go down. Because I can't your own mother. You to do that too. You try.
Yeah, it's a whole lot. So we're going to put the rest of it on my Dancehall story channel you see in front of you. It's not up there yet, but we're going to upload that today. And probably 6 more mix-up stories, people. You see what I say? Over this are straight mix-up and gossip, you feel me? Right, so you know we do entertainment news and music reviews and them type of things. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.